So one last video on completing the square. This one is to show you that you don't have to have a equal to 1 in your original equation to do this. You do need a equal to 1 eventually, right? But you can accomplish that by dividing each of your terms by whatever a is and working from there, right? As long as we divide everything on the left and everything on the right by the same number, then we've kept the equation balanced. When we do that division, we get n squared minus 3n minus 3 plus 1. Then I can quit completing the square like normal. I bring over my 3 to move that, and I'm left here. I do half of b squared half of 3 is negative 1.5. Negative 1.5 squared is 2.25. And I add that on both sides. That gives me a perfect square trinomial on the left, which collapses down into n times half of b, keep the sign, squared, equals, and 4 plus 2.25 is 6.25. From there we solve. Square root of both sides, isolate n, write your sentence so that your square root comes second and you have plus or minus that square root. And then actually do 1.5 plus the square root of 6.25, 1.5 minus the square root of 6.25. And that'll get you these roots.